Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling Louis Restaurant. This is Luis. How may I help you?
Hi Luis, I want to make a reservation.
Okay, ma'am, no problem. May I know your name?
I'm Nicole Beltran,
What about your contact number, please?
809-06-1970-108
What day would you like to make your reservation for?
on Sunday, April 7
And what time, ma'am?
on 8 p.m.
Okay, ma'am, may I know for how many persons, please?
There will be 6 of us.
Okay, ma'am, what about the area? Do you prefer smoking or non-smoking area?
I prefer non-smoking, please.
One moment, ma'am. Let me just check what's available. Hello, ma'am. May I please repeat the table reservation details? A table do you prefer at the non-smoking area on Sunday, April 7 at 8 p.m. Miss Nicole Beltran and your contact is 0906-1970-108. Is the details correct, ma'am?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and thank you for calling. We look forward to seeing you. Have a great day ahead.
Welcome.